When we graph the equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, we know it will be a parabola that either opens upward or downward, depending on the sign of a. What if we wanted to graph the equation x equals ay squared plus by plus c instead? What will this look like? It's still a quadratic polynomial, so it will be a parabola, but it will be open to the left if a is less than 0, and to the right if a is greater than 0. Let's graph an equation that is quadratic in y and see which way the parabola opens. The equation x equals negative 1/4 y squared minus y is in the general form, so the x-intercept is at 0, c. Here c is 0, so the parabola will pass through the origin. We can find the zeros of the function by letting x equal 0 and solving for y. Multiply through by negative 4 to eliminate the fraction. Factoring y out of each term gives us y times the quantity y plus 4. So zeros are at the origin and 0, negative 4. Now we want to find the vertex of the parabola. When the equation is in standard form, the vertex is at hk. Remember, when the parabola is quadratic in y, h is outside the parentheses, and k is inside the parentheses. Let's rewrite the equation in standard form. First, factor negative 1/4 out of each term. Then find the value needed to complete the square. Remember, we need to add and subtract b over 2 quantity squared, which is 4 over 2 quantity squared, or 4. Add and subtract 4 inside the parentheses. Move the 4 being subtracted outside the parentheses, remembering to multiply by negative 1/4 and factor the trinomial. We now have the equation in standard form, x equals negative 1/4 times the quantity y plus 2 squared plus 1. From this, we can see that the vertex is 1, negative 2. Collecting all of the information we have about the parabola, we can now graph it. Start by plotting the vertex. Next, plot the intercepts. Since the x-intercept is at the origin, it is also a y-intercept. We only have 3 points plotted so far. If we evaluate the equation when y is equal to 3, we get an x value of negative 5 and 1/4. We get the same value if we evaluate the equation at a y value of negative 7. We plot these points, and our parabola is really taking shape. Now we just draw a smooth curve through these points, and we're done.